Welcome back, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, in the last class, we saw about money and his passion for writing. So, in this class, we will see the second part of the lesson. So, here we go. Lesson 1, Hobby Turns a Successful Career, Part 2. So, in this slide, you could see an image of a person who is drawing, an artist there. So, let's move on. Ajay Kumar Garg is a very talented young artist. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment, but it didn't cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. He looked happy while using the paint set that was gifted to him. Soon, Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur in Rajasthan, Sri Suvalal, saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. So, students, in this para, we see that there is a young boy named Ajay. He lives in Jaipur. So, till the age of 3, he had a very good childhood. At the age of 3, he suffered an injury. Due to that, he was not able to listen properly. So, his parents tried several hospitals, visited many doctors. In spite of the treatment, he was left permanently deaf. So, he was not able to hear at all. That is called as impairment. Impairment means disability. Okay. So once his father bought him a paint set to play, looking at different colors, Ajay felt very happy and he started to paint on the walls and floors. Looking at this boy, his father was also happy that Ajay is really enjoying with colors. Soon, Ajay's father also understood that Ajay is very talented in painting. So when Ajay was 5 years, a court artist of Dholpur, his name is Sri Suvalal, this person saw Ajay's painting and was very impressed with him. He wanted to train Ajay, so he took Ajay and started to train him more in painting. So the next para children. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy, so he went back to painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon he became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and a single hair brush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. So here we see that after his education, Ajay tried his hand on tailoring, but he was not happy with it, so he came back to painting. Then he started to work under the guidance of Asha Devi and became her assistant. She taught him the old and dying technique of miniature painting. Why it is told as old and dying technique is because this kind of painting is very, very rare in today's generation. So that is a technique which is slowly, slowly fading from our culture. In this technique, they use a magnifying glass, they use a single hair brush, and that is how they start to paint. In the ancient days, also, they were using this kind of technique to paint. So, very soon, this boy Ajay he learned how to paint, how to use the brushes, and He became a successful artist in this miniature style. Miniature style means if you observe the necklaces or bangle or the anklet that you wear, you could see small, small designs on it, very, very small, small designs. So that is an example of miniature style. If you use a magnifying glass and you really see the necklace or your bangle or anklets, you could find an image. When you see with your naked eye, you could just think it is some design, but actually there is some image which is drawn or created on it. And then this boy is gifted with this talent, and he also has the practice of creating images in a on a grain of rice. So children, after this class, go and see the necklace or the bangle of your mom, or if you have it by yourself, go and see. You could find small, small designs on it, but actually, if you use a magnifying glass and see, you could see an image. Okay, that is called as a miniature style. So, moving on to the next para, children. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of the 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, children, we all know who is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, children, do we know? Yes, he's a very famous personality, a very talented scientist. He's an all-rounder. Okay, so in this para, we see that Ajay displayed 150 paintings for an exhibition there, and 144 paintings were sold. And he continued to show his talent through his work, not only in India but also in the United States and the United Kingdom. So in 2004, this boy Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment by our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Moving on to the next para. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India and has been the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur as well as the children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. One of Ajay's current goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian painting. So, in this para, we see that Ajay helps people with hearing disability. He is also a member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He not only gives free training to the impaired children, but he also trains the children who are there in the orphanage. So, Ajay's main aim is to bring back this Indian painting, this miniature style. He wants to bring it back in today's society. Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skills. So, here we understand that if you have that passion, if you want to really become a successful painter, a successful singer, or a dancer, any of your hobby, you want that as your career, you really have to work hard for it. You have to put in all your effort. You need to have that ability to learn and accept your positives, accept your negatives, work on your negatives, and improve your skill. So let's see the hard words in today's session. The first one is impairment. It means disability. The next one, miniature, means very small of its kind. Third one, accomplished, means fulfilled. Fourth one, magnify, means to enhance. Fifth one, exhibit, means show or reveal. Sixth one, revitalize, means re-energize. So the next section here is true or false. The first question, Ajay Garg is an artist. The answer is true. The second one, Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. That is also true. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So this answer is also true. With this, we have come to the end of our class. So in the next class, we will see part 3. Until then, children, stay safe, take care of yourself. Goodbye.